This year we're challenging everyone to get active together. But how can we meet this challenge? Why is getting active together important? Being active together has a number of benefits, such as helping us develop social skills or learn a new activity, enjoy new experiences, work as a team, establish active habits for later years, look after our mental health and encourage behaviour change. We may be more likely to stick to being active if we have the support of others. What can you do to get active together? To get active together, you could arrange to meet a friend to walk and talk, organise a family swim, plan a day outdoors with family or friends, sign up for a new group, activity or class.
For example, ice skating, dancing, bowling, table tennis or a gardening club.
You could also take up walking, running or jogging with a friend. For more information, visit nutrition.org.uk or foodeffectivelife.org.uk. And don't forget to tweet us what you're getting up to this healthy eating week at BNF Events and at Food Effective Life.